Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another video tutorial from Craft Angles. I'm Savithri from All Things Beautiful, and today I'm going to be making a project for the monthly theme, which is winter or the holiday season with red, green and white. So the main feature product for this project is this beautiful decoupage papers from Craft Angles. It's called the Winter Wonderland. It has very beautiful pictures. It's more like a watercolor picture made into a decoupage paper. See, it has these beautiful pictures of the snowy mountains and a nice house with a Christmas tree. Then it has this reindeer and house, and it's a very beautiful scenic setting of the Winter Wonderland. And I just love the way these look. These are really beautiful. Actually, you can just frame these and hang it on your wall and it will look absolutely gorgeous. So that is how versatile these pictures are. And this pack is 4 A4 sheet. It comes as a 4-pack A4 sheet, and it's very economical, and it's beautiful for all your winter and holiday projects. So in today's project, let's see, I will use this picture. I really like this house on a hilly mountain with all those snowflakes. Is very apt for our winter project challenge. So what am I going to do today is I am going to recycle or upcycle this old pan that I have. It's really old. I've stopped using non-stick a long time ago, and but by now you all know that I just love to upcycle and recycle and DIY. So I do not throw anything away. So I have this very old pan that I'm going to be using to make this project. So stay along, watch and enjoy. So I have this pan. I just gave like a 1 coat of gesso here, but I'm going to give another coat of gesso. So our pan is completely dry now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture. It's beautiful, and I'm going to. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll put it at the back just to see how much I need. So now what I'm going to be doing is, yes, I will decoupage this. Before that, to make since there is a slight curve and our paper is also, going little over the curve, to make the decoupage more smoother, I will just make very tiny slits around the edges so it sticks well. This is a tip in decoupage work. If you are working on curved surface, normally if you decoupage any paper, it will wrinkle. So if you don't want it to wrinkle and you want a smooth finish, all you have to do is just slit them along, and that will help you paste down the paper without any crease. Now I'm taking our decoupage glue, Craft Angles decoupage glue, and I'm going to just decoupage this design onto the pan. I pressed it a little hard there. Never mind, we are going to anyway be blending some colors. Now I'll give it another generous layer of decoupage glue on top. This is a sealant. Never miss this step. It's the most important step. Yeah, that's blended quite well now, isn't it? Looks nice. So we will let this dry and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now this layer is dry. Now what I'm going to do is I just want to extend this Christmas tree a little bit. So I'm taking a green shade and I'm just going to I'm just using a little of black here and there just to give it that depth and the shade. Yes, that's perfect. Isn't that beautiful? What I'll do is I will just add some glitter to this whole thing. Now on to the next layer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding these like snowfall or snowflakes. So for that what I'll do, I will take teeny bit of Snow White chalk paint here, very little, and I'm going to add water and water it down nicely. I'm going to make it nice and runny. Okay, then I will take my toothbrush and I am going to dip that in my runny paint and I'm just going to spray it all over. This will give that nice snowy snowflake effect, and this will also blend your whole project together. It will bring the whole thing together and it will look blended. It's fine if it falls on your decoupage paper, that will look more natural. So apart from this, what I will do, I will also make some slightly bigger dots here and there, just like that. This will just blend the whole thing together so you won't know where it's painted, where it's paper, and it will all look like one nice design. Not too much, just to make it look like snowy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I just feel like going and living there. It's really beautiful. So now what I will do is I'm going to go ahead and varnish this whole thing, and then we will move on to doing embellishing this pan a little more. I'll paint the handle also in white. I want a very winter wonderland kind of a look. So I'll just varnish this now using this glossy decoupage varnish from Craft Angles. So just to give it a little more glow and glamour, what I'm going to be doing is I'm using a sparkling dust. It's a glitter powder that I have, silver glitter. So some people mix it with varnish and do it, but yeah, I like to just sprinkle once I varnish, and before the varnish dries I like to just sprinkle it. So this also gives you this nice sparkly effect. I just love this effect. I hope you can see it. So I'll leave this to dry and we'll come back and decorate this pan a little more. So our varnish is dry here. Look at how beautiful that looks, the glitter. I'm not very sure if you can see the glitter. Yeah. So like I said, we are not done. Just to add more magical touch to this whole thing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some Christmas embellishments and adding it to this pan. See, I have this streamer, so just to give it that snowy look, I'm going to glue this here. So I will take a small piece out. I look forward to Christmas every year because it's such a fun time. It is. I can try out a lot of new DIYs and Christmas decor and play around, and the feeling is just unexplainable. It's definitely the best time of the year. So I'm just going to glue this on like this. I'll use my glue gun and just glue this whole thing down. I'm just letting these streamers just fall out a little bit just to give it that natural effect. There's no hard and fast rule in how you do this. This is just an idea. If it inspires you in any way, you can do it however you want. See, isn't that quite magical? It looks quite magical to me. Now, the next thing I will do is, I have this tree. I'm going to add this tree. Let's see, I'll add it here. And I have this oversized reindeer, but that's absolutely fine. These are just DIY winter wonderlands that we are creating, and it's fine. Can you see how that looks? It's beautiful. And I have these small snowflakes. These are tiny snowflakes, so I'm just going to add them here and there. Just random. That is our beautiful winter scene ready from an old pan. Isn't that beautiful? I just love these small details, the glitter. I just added some red berries. If you want to know how to make this, you can hop onto my channel, my YouTube channel, All Things Beautiful, and you will find the tutorial there. It looks really wonderful. I am not done. So for the final touch, just to make it the winter magical wonderland, I have this snowflake ribbon that I bought from a store recently. It's so pretty. I am going to, what do I do? Yeah, I'm just going to tie that around here. Magical winter wonderland. Though at least the part of the place I live in, I don't see much winter or snow or anything, but yeah, I just love this whole winter thing. It's so much fun to make these beautiful DIY decors for Christmas yourself. I absolutely love it, and I just love to, instead of buying stuff, I love to upcycle and recycle. This is damn pretty. It looks very pretty. Just imagine it hanging on your door or in your balcony during Christmas or anywhere. I'm sure it will put a smile on your face. And that's our winter wonderland ready for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. For more such tutorials on this monthly theme, hop on to Craft Angles or HNDMD blog and watch all the tutorials for all inspirations and decor ideas this season. Thank you so much. Do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such lovely videos. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye and happy holidays.